Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro. Let's get started. So, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint, and instead of building everything from a blank slide, go to your home page, click on Themes, and you will be able to find lots of ready-made themes. Choose the one you like and start editing. This makes your presentation look professional instantly. Next, what you can do is, if your PowerPoint looks too bright, you can switch it to dark mode. All you have to do is simply tap on the File button and then tap on Options. And then under Office Theme, tap on this drop down, and all you have to do is simply choose Dark Gray. This gives you a darker look that's easier on your eyes. After that, tap on OK. Now, if you want to edit your PowerPoint file in Google Slide, just save your presentation as .ppt. To save it, tap on File, tap on Save As, next tap on Browse, and then make sure it is set to PowerPoint Presentation. After that, tap on Save. And now, Google Slides can open PPTX file and everything stays editable. And that's it. That is how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint like a pro on Windows. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.